Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I really wasn't planning on doing a video today. I was just gonna come here to my spot, get some buckets to take home for some live streams, and just be done with the day. But I met up with Aaron, and we did some test pans, and I'm kind of doing pretty good, so I thought I'd share it with you. Check this out. So that's after just a few pans. I'd have to say that's pretty darn nice. I'll take that every day. So I'm going to do a couple more pans, but then we're going to start filling buckets with this material, and we'll see how much gold we can get. All right, so let's see the gold that came out of that. So that is pretty darn good. All right, so I got some decent gold out of the last pan. Aaron's starting to right now, and he's got a few pieces poking out. He hasn't fully washed it back yet. He'll probably have to do it twice because there's always some gold that slips down. Those are so pretty over here.
Everything is all over there in one spot.
Hey, that's pretty good though. If the GoPro can see it, then it's pretty good. Way to go, Aaron. Let's keep hitting that spot. All right, next pan for Aaron. He's already got a nice piece of gold right there.
Anything else in there? Oh, there's a little dot on the side over there.
Yeah, a lot of times those bigger flakes hang out by, oh yeah, there's a few in there. But those bigger ones, they like to hang out by themselves sometimes. That's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Another nice pan, Aaron. Good job. Everyone needs to go check out Aaron's channel. I'll put a link down below. All right, so Aaron's out of here. Had a lot of fun digging with him today. It's at a point where I need to get the hell out of here, so I'm going to fill up some buckets with some non-classified material, and we'll play with that at home doing some stuff. But otherwise, I'll see you guys back at the house. Bye. All right, guys, we made it home. I ran those buckets. It ended up being 3 buckets of 1/8" material. And this is the gold that we got. It is so pretty. And there's some nice pieces in there, really consistent for that area, but we were right on the pay streak. So thanks for meeting me down there, Aaron. I had a blast digging with you, and thanks all of you for joining us today. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification so that you know when I put out more content. And until next time, guys, bye.